Hi, this is Venkatesh. In this video, I am going to explain to display digits of a given number in a Python. Program to display digits of a given number. For example, one number, suppose 3457. 3457. Suppose you given as a input. The output should come. 7. Output should come 7, 5, 4, 3. This is our task. Now, first of all, 3457 you have to divide with 10. 3457. Then year 345. Then 3450 it becomes. Then you will get a reminder 7. This 7 we have to display. Next, what we have to do is this 345 you have to divide with 10. Then 10 into 34 you will get a 340. Reminder you will get a 5. This 5 we have to display. Next, we have to take 34. 34 you have to divide with 10. 10 3 ja 30. 10 3 ja 30. Reminder 4. We have to display 4. Next, we have to take 3. 10 3 10 0 10 in 10 0 0 10 into 0 0. Reminder will get a 3. These 3 we have to display, and here 0. Whenever 0 comes quotient, we have to stop. So given number you have to divide with 10. Reminder you have to display, and next quotient we have to take for next operation. Again we have to divide with 10. 5 we have to display. 34 quotient we have to take for next operation. Again you have to divide with 10. Reminder you have to display. Quotient you have to take again with 10. Reminder 0 comes. Then you have to stop. This process we have to continue. We have to display for any number. See, first of all, we have to accept one number. Accepting one number in a Python, we use input function. Here, enter any number. It is going to be displayed on monitor. Whatever you entered, the number string format received by input function. After receiving, we have to convert into integer format. For that, int function we use in a Python. Whatever you entered, that is received string format to integer format converted, and we have to store in one variable. Suppose example a. This a, digits of a we have to print. Now just now you have seen logic. You have to start with a, and whenever 0 comes we have to stop. So while a not equal to 0, if it is not equal to 0 we have to perform operation. If it is equal to 0 we have to terminate. That's what, like this. Here b equal to a modulo division 10. Last digit comes, that is we have to print. After that, division mod, like a floor division you have to take to get the quotient. So a equal to a floor division 10. Suppose example 3457, then what will happen? A value 3457 not equal to 0, true. Then b equal to 3457 percentile 10, then you'll get a 7, the 7 printed. 3457 floor division 10, you'll get a 345, here 345, again 345 not equal to 0, true. Like this, here b value 345 modulo division 10, you'll get a 5 printed. Again 345 becomes 34, 34 not equal to 0, true. Here reminder 4 comes, 4 printed. Again 34 becomes 3 not equal to 0, true. 3 comes, 3 printed. Here 3 becomes 0, 0 not equal to 0, while loop terminated, condition false, then terminated. So this program, it will display digits of a given number. See, I'll execute. Okay, suppose example 3457, see output 7543. Again I'll execute. See, again one more number, 8756, 8756. See, 6578. Okay, again I'll execute one more time. See, 456. See, 654. Like this, we can display digits of a given number in Python. For more information, you visit my blog Python by Venkatesh Mansani.blogspot.com.